PayPal is an American company operating a worldwide online payment system. It supports online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to the traditional paper method like checks and money orders. PayPal operates in 202 markets and 286 million active registered accounts. It allows customers to send, receive, and hold funds in 25 countries worldwide. Its services allow people to make financial transactions online by granting the ability to transfer funds electronically between individuals and businesses. This makes it easy for customers who frequently need to deal with funds transactions like freelancers, entrepreneurs, vendors, suppliers, and more. So, let's go ahead and learn how PayPal works and how you can transfer and get paid for your freelancing work online from any corner of the world. Why to use PayPal? PayPal is all-in-one, a secure payment solution that engages millions of customers across the globe. This ensures that the users stay safe from online frauds. It makes it easy to get paid in a click. However, you do business. Get paid for a job well done. If you work as a freelancer, PayPal can help you get paid via email and online invoices even if you haven't met the client. Completed with the given work, simply send a payment request to your client. This also helps when you want to request an advance payment before starting the work. Just share your personalized PayPal link to the client. You can now also accept international projects without hesitation or fear or loss in the value of a different currency. You can receive payments in Indian rupees and 26 other countries and access your money easy with automatic withdrawals into your bank account. Isn't it just easy? PayPal also allows users to accept payments from credit or debit cards directly from a customer's bank account and also from the PayPal balance. How PayPal works. So let us now learn how to use it. Enter the web address in your browser to launch the PayPal website. On opening it, you will notice different types of categories. As a freelancer, you can head to the individual category to get started. The individual category session will redirect you to the sign up page, where you can also watch the user guide video for getting started. Also, PayPal helps you navigate through the process that involves steps like creating your PayPal account, link a credit card or debit card by entering the details, and then paying easily in just a click. Not only this, but PayPal also provides 1-minute video guides for easy account activation. Isn't it helpful? Once you have watched the video, you need to sign up. As you are a freelancer, choose individual account over a business account. You need to enter your details like an email address and create an account password. Then, the welcome page will request you to fill the personal information like nationality, name, address lines, location, and mobile number. Right after you agree to the user agreement and privacy statement, you will be asked to provide the payment card details for linking the account. Successful linking of the account will direct you to go to your account, where you can link your bank account to start receiving money directly into your bank account. To pay from your account, simply go to Payment Methods and choose a suitable option. Follow the steps and then done. First transaction successfully completed. No need of going to banks to deposit the checks or filling the bank slips anymore. Just a click and your transactions are done in